live on Sompa TV now, live on Facebook. Honing in on your day, yes, match and a befaso. A Santoroko, a way to and cry. Or more any house of folk, and a woman by now, Cradam say, or my quack drew and a sound something in our ya day, a yet fetchery bar ebemau. Yamian much in a house of folk and a quatoko before. Our Captain Reza Ebebaso, and no I just a parliament house members, no, or more boy tia former players of the national team. Just a Black Stars, a former players, nibin a year parliament, and as a parliament members, everyone, I'm say 12-0 loading. Hana say be a humo mobile cry be a 11-2. Na say be a 10-2. Na say be a 10-2.
Who be a order that?
O say
who be a order that?
Na munya de.
Who be a order that?
Aduma mu ye munya de.
Dabio, yeah, nya good ye ba
10-2. No so bianca, obi e no ba be agro. Ba 10-2 no de e am beje. O ga say susu na show obi show 9-2 a. No the person the back no so why na 2. Yes, we are friend ourselves from Mizo drinks, you know, and the mixer 5G make I say I would drew I am manager Daniel our 21st clinic and show vaccines one more benya B and so ato and I feel be kind supermarket and no a sister say wa abawa post office and manya hey on so kwa judo bi a wo pebia no won sa anso abeka afemu so mo per Mizo and the 5G mixer energy drink ni bi ato no wo be call mama stand so e wa dom ne asomdwe junction after Baptist University Wabuakwa no honoma pronounce abeka mama stand so na femeka say PNC Ventures and so and also Mani station taxi station one actually no and so oil juma on a charity a hospital junction D and share and a na Sanchi enterprise also call ma asafo binti yani VIP a park no and so any D and shobenya B and so out do bi a opebiano won sa and some abeka 0246 270221 na chese won so ajo Mizo eno mixer 5G dudobia to be cotton and faso no wo dia ana fe 21st clinic ya ba European tour mumunti Ghana for ntinti say bia unua baby unua bema bi wabusuani bi wo Europe na say wo complaints na chi ne ya eno ntamo ntimi nkwadwuma na ngameso onyeska ensom ade amane mu amo down as say mu hyepa eno so bi say no €100 krana etimi ye no ma pinti say ni plan send be ma catch and say on your voice note and I say on your WhatsApp message embra and I say bet me apply WhatsApp call number no I 0244 915116 0244 915116 and I WhatsApp line now or then no ma ebe fast Susan say by Europe I to Belgium Germany Italy and after Romania yano yabeto enso edia for na manioman so aye fine enso ediamamo yabesam yade a chese no kakre frimo enso ede ba ni nyina no nsam yade banti mumanyi main wa hama me real quick na yembre no me say once again we bia you di
oh bia e shishi fancy di marant ya me say enkomodide na na eguso aye di no ha na me say korokofo akwaduru crowds of folks who get training na me say yensa ka probable lineups bi wo ha na ye de betudwa ye be player for player na ni nyina ko wiase so a na ye hu kwan ye be fa so a game ni be city akọ ba me sure say komodidie bi ne nyoma bi wo kakra bi ye be ya ansa ne be ba game na nkasa so aba betena se aba behwem se de ye pese game ni city ko superstars ni players ahodo bi a kumasa sante koroko ne house fuka planet so mbe yi omadi a kire no ampaye bedwa Enoch Morrison way
aromu no
Enoch Morrison way Enoch ebe won wa so bo say Enoch Morrison she JC bi o kina na
say bi o she house for JC say koroko de ntimi nya koroko because ono ma wi ebe won wa na oh enyo wa say bo ana okun so dia okun akọ anim ai
okun dia lai dey
okun akọ anim say wo free ba akọ abekomi no
free ba akọ abekomi
yes no mo say ha supporters no mo shi jama masa ani braba o mo se china kwam bia so kotoko di sun ana bebe kuma so ha mo bobo ni we kura koroko beto mo preseason so on cry
ngora we ne matches o
oh okay
Mura and matches.
I don't so. Wo supporters in here. Mamma Fanny Kakrabe na Fienre, wa Bromu Hiti, a atmosphere, a proud to Namiyad Mochana, a game, I was a battle. Break. Exclusive right to our media. We are matching our live commentary, live coverage. Terror One TV, Sompa TV, live on Facebook. Also live on radio stations. Falling under the same umbrella. Yeah, live commentary. Team no, I won't cry. Watching the show live and clear out for Mim Airport. Fantastic fancy Maria Murphy Alcoro is winning tomorrow against House of Folk. Say I welcome champion player Evan Bafwa Uchi to Kumasi Asanrock of family. In team house supporters and no money prepare. I fear Santoro conso supporters and so Chazamaza. I'm the Yamonquao. That's what you say, Porcupine Tertiary for no. Almost so Jan Arches, any jacket to a cry. The live coverage on Tower One TV, Park TV, so folk Asante Protocol, 20 Ghana, 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana. But I have a friendly match of all the a big game. And then bragging right and watching made in addition, I don't know. We are matching out Mike Etim, Messiah Etim. Okay, Tim. Yes, and Tining and Yaman watching and a big matches, you know. So, me say first game, catching race, and them say 10-2 and now 12-1. Omunyimu ba komon sumana muntwan fan Sunday members of parliament. Achina beju. Yaba. Yaba.
Asante Kotoko say. Asante Kotoko say. Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko.
Yes, Nina Yamia Mochina and a big game Airbus. So yeah, build it up. Proud to the game and a kita exclusive writer. Tara One Media, the whole seminar Emma Yetil for and every live also a shootout a show so now most vision FC for almost stadium no and nas me shake a because I'm so many prepared say cloud lenses and seminar want me and me tea a requirement now was so a ha inti ehia pa way and so a vision of some new stadium I just say omo I'm say there omo so one no more to no aye so I'm say adwuma koso 24/7 abribia we want yen ntama amazing for now say hia o no ne bo nko because I dey antempa was all the original the boy we do be kwa community need to meet adwubo so mo ankasa amazing for community ni mo no wo mo be so mo ye de boa e bia club no yes anti pa yes and now mama when so na faming coming real quick na our trophy edema democracy match and so am say trophy no so aba be drew F power bejibiano team say kama Parliament of Ghana Democracy Cup champion 2024 we say we know say silver color anti no F wa bejibiana ye de ina sense na so no enso ediama yes meza
fancy let me say no legends in the two no legends there's a place almost prepare for China na kasame osan kasame ka training ka kre koso bon be omote we kura chese e be hye mo China kasame ka training e koso na me say ne o me koye pa e de mai kama na me say fancy
Aisha ko unveil na
yes
omo mani di asa kakra
omo mi ti kakra. Let's just go straight back up.
Abdul Fattah Ishaku Leicester City official rock. Ono na ma am say sro panini nya ska be no how na drisu
please
don't tino o ko can sit madam for me the konya culture shock for US na of course I want to drink water no more no water serve me water no water you think you can drink water you can drink water
a little bit
yeah massa jai no mom say in it so I'm going swine oh
Sheila
so
mankranso unim kwaya mankra so far so ba
na prosper na te ogum mesro me wian wa ba shi toli no mankranso me ma akura nka wa ha na te ogum an 18-man squad goalkeeper Frederick Kasari Fatal Mohammed goalkeeper defenders no Emmanuel Kote Prince Adesan Esmat Abdul Hamid Adongani Samba O'Neil Justice Blay Henry Ensu woman defenders middle Andrews in team menu Emmanuel Enchi Jordan Amisa Michael Che Jamana ana attack Baba Yaya Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman Pitami Duakwa, Elvis Shea Bafwa Wuche, and I feel Bernard Sumwa and Swum, and is watching a Wuche to me Bogola, Massa. There's what start to way in the year.
Ochina ya Wuche dana. Ochina ya Wuche da.
It's me any that.
For 18 months.
Because Koro Mukwe, Edo Binyabo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Frederick Asari, old player. Fatau Mohammed, not yet part of the team last season when it comes to the goalkeepers. Oba defenders now. Dennis Kote, old player. Prince Adasa, also old player. Ubenya Smart Abdul Hamid, new player. Waba. Waba Bejina Mudiama Kumasa Sante Koroko. Indogani Samba Onel, new player, centre back. Inti Smart Abdul Hamid, and then the left back now Koroko. Ekofano in the free. Al Hilal, Edene Bay, no. Aha. Ansana Justice Blay, Henry Ansu. Iti Koroko centre backs for Nyamia Duma Ochina. Centre backs me inside. Henry Ansu, Justice Blay, Indogani, Samba Onel. Ana Koroko, Omo fullbacks no so yemiensa. Emmanuel Kote, Prince Adesa, and Smart Abdul Hamid. Goalkeepers here too. Koroko Oban Fifi one na Andres in 2 men last season no Oboye. Ana Obabenya Emmanuel entry our join form Accra Great Olympics.
Yeah.
We are replacing Richmond Lamte for Kumasa Sante Koroko. Then Obabenya Jordan Amisa also last year no count. Then Michael change Jamina to Koroko the 4 midfielders. So and Ekwaku Piemu away in crime. And Sana any more for Ubenya Abdul Karim Abdul Rahman. Ubenya Baba Yaya. Ubenya Peter Amidu Aqua. Elvis Chamber for Anna Berat Sumwa. Na fancy we listed there nim ne Koroko players omo de omo ko idia na se wo hwe ne mu se a few squad there ba Koroko hwe ne mu so betime di nkunu over across folk this democracy cup no na ne omatimi apiki e di amomo ye twa house folk so list no eno so ye ready na
Watara maintaining count
ase Watara suru kakra bia na Watara suru kakra bia na
Watara so start here
Udi kan okota so undi bem.
Ose
Udi kan okota undi bem.
Say nkan
Oh no, obi na den 18 man Leicester ko. Ono so e bi
I'm say Watara
Wow, the England for omo de omo line up Bantam ja Spain. Euros final ko see saying. So allow Frenchman non to turn nyoma yen hye nyoma hu se na ebesi aye. Now, hwe game we no. The two teams are bringing in surprises. Good. Smart no washe say for Kotoko aboboda na Luis Suarez akomia say onim Luis Suarez of the Karim sports ono na so Luis Suarez or a fox in the box
no box no pa buni name on fan
and on share just in ball for Kotoko da. The same applies to Cheba for you will love to see all these players play now bibie no where fe wom say obenya hwe no Sompa TV ne so ana Terawan enti Terawan no for omo pet digital no
yeah
Terawan no the same feed na and then Sompa TV no on multi TV dig box so ubenya so yes several on 2 platforms digital and a face satellite ubenya ni na no hwe enye satellite
automatic afra satellite
yeah digital satellite now we university David Maka digital digital satellite into ubenya hwe so na just ama bibia aye kama and yeah bro 2 games the first game the second game first game the parliamentarians we didn't can rule or more off I won't say nya di ombetimi ya di papa dia I think they can still offer something retired players omuja ibo ne bo no mo betie ombetina fia fancy aya na mostly be na ye rusty be na ye rusty so me menje omundi sa odi din na eka by a Drew Park Neswa, a dino, a bayera, na baye on modern born the pitch, then has Kotoko. And so yeah, another blockbuster that we should await. A bemaye a cursory glance at the new season na Babe Remno. So it is going to be a beautiful one. Into a Chinawa Crassport Stadium. There went to me Uncle Stadium, Okona ship at the stadium home. Now you Traba TV so na but went to me Uncle because of a Juma and now baby I won't tear. you can still watch it on Sompa TV and Tarawan TV. As simple as such. Commentary by pre-match builder, fancy Tnasi Akomiani, now mock kabom discuss matches near the Ombe na. Our first match, fancy Akomia, second match, fancy Akomia. It is going to be a beautiful spectacular. Ebema Bibia and so I kama penti. Democracy Cup ne na fancy yen trekese wo hono. Mo de tone so amobo on the butterfly waves ni ade. Na say ochinano obed dangle, obed dazzle, obed diagro. Oh, triple D. Obed dangela dazzle diagro. Enti ebeye beautiful ebema bibia enso etimi akoso kama ya. Ba be say man kranso. Unim de ya man kranso bai.
As always ya now you.
Unim de ya man kranso bai. Ma men ka story na show. Papa bi na tu kwa.
Yeah. Uni.
Oh. 1 minute per.
I want to learn
History. Man kranso. Good. Enti papa bi na tu kwan na baby o free ban.
Man can so for it.
Oh,
Ubenya semu.
oh tie. Enti papa bi tu kwan. Enti akwantuo ne mu no. Ana noko shorty kakra. Akwantuo no baby okodru na ese ne sika asa. Ana ne phone battery also ekolo enti edum. Enti obedru no bisa na de na si de na no say oh. Me tu kwan akọ ni say. No I'm saying why na wo kwan no oh. Nipa ni din di say. Na why na wo fi a wo kra na utu kwan. I say oh man kranso. Enti papa no akwantu no baby okodu ye okaye no ese na nika ho no ese sade a obechichiri kro e wo ho no ma omo okoto omo no ne omo hye kro na ase enti amo kom so ye ko ejapia mankranso kro mu ho enti no na eyi ejapia de free ma ene o ko me ko mankranso ene be ye mankranso.
Asante.
Hey. Ajashela. Just say utimishimia of ebedu be kas nyame ba obi anyu woni o.
Dey.
Yo. Mate.
Oh, onjindi.
Fast me also obi abusa
question say omo ama no ne ompese omo hwe a Facebook live YouTube live into Facebook live YouTube live into mo abusa sansem ni ne betima possible de amamo say mo benya akonya. Oh yes I'm for her kodokone has a chepa
Anna omo baba me taste of they also expecting
of course of the upcoming season. To be very honest, these two teams have been very disappointing.
Omo me taste of they also expecting
very disappointing in the season end, you know. So this is the time at least mbetimi the joy among supporters now yehunu their plan and their setup, and I think Asufuk has gone with continuity. Despite whatever happened during the season with the coach Nibiano, Asufuk decided say there be coach Nani and Nini Dijumane they are to almost twaso because they believe this is also an opportunity to see what the coach has in stock for Asufuk. Say dear no more person the next season going into the competition, and I said dear no more person in terms of players no more akwana the quality of more person more dynasty on the field of play, the system, tactics because oba quite you say call Afcon mu kakra no I breaking a house of folk this and come on middle of the season our Tara Befa team no. What am I say? So this is his first full preseason with House of Folk team. First full preseason with House of Folk team, and we'll beginning preseason with one and you'll be as a kotoko. 80 people will be eager. Koroko so saki players. I hold on now. Omuni ebi muso apapem. Eko. Obi aso pese omuhunu de coach no so pese no so be de boa. Iti nyoma ya at stake nyame adoma ochina about this game. One, the integrity of these two teams when it comes to this fixture. Korokone has agronym.
Pajami and Shaway.
Korokone has agronym. They need to protect the integrity of this fixture at all cost. Because no panana make us say for some time now between the two of them, no. Bono, a team holding up the integrity of the two teams in terms of quality of football. Ebia with the league log no obetima tenafia ka say House of Folk or league log enkoye koroko league enkoye ka Africa ya nke ebo din there for 2 consecutive to 3 consecutive seasons. It has been very difficult to see either one of them someone representing Ghana or Africa. Intimi masa. But in terms of Omumi and Nunisha giving us quality football there, Fancy Di Maria, I would say they've done their best. So they will need to protect the integrity of Omumi rivalry, no, and they won't with them. They are Tosumi, no. They will need to show the supporters what they have in store for them coming into the season. Any players or Makosa and Modiaba. Makoto player A, Makoto player B. She Adiama Nabiketa GD Wukruma se pa Kotokone Black Stars. Oh, Babayara. Or trade John Boy in and out, be my John Boy to see from Africa supporters in Nabi, oh, Nabi. Nabi, oh, Nabi. Baby, oh, Befe Nabi. Odi Judin. Iti players, no most of my consigning players, they are the temperament of Koroko has, the attention, and the integrity of Koroko has in Tino. Untimin Casa Bowie, on your own day, and more. Mukwala ba Kruma says, Mukwala and Yashama Koroko Crown, Korokone has. He has always been there. Salif Ibrahim Unya Kodokofona, Joe City Jere Omono. Not even talk, Udmadema Calibi, and son of a free house, Nandi was super. Caliba Manqua. Omobo Kruma si Biana has folk who love say Caliba Manqua will step up because Kruma no free. And he steps up. I was a place there, the Omaba for Frono. Omo woman the Momo, but Mama for Frono. We are subo. Some be see whatever they have to help. They're tossing me, sir. The two coaches still have something to prove to their supporters. Watara himself has something to prove because
double.
Masa, and ya de ketua sem ne be kan ha no. Watara cannot afford for Kotoko so be hye na to aso 3. Ogum Susan hye so a Ogum establishing a legacy say we must okuna do the nisi nchen Kotoko history mu say coach a. On time lose against Haza. On also so bit my day. E be establishing itself. Between these two coaches, tomorrow they have something to protect at all cost. Number 4, the supporters no. Na me adomo china. Season mama bibia akwa kogu mfankugu. This is the time to showcase your love. Going into the preseason, new players from our club, what they should expect from Momo supporters, any the demand. Yate house folk. Yate koroko. Yate say, I want to play for this club. Inti mwana nyamo feresa and saying, some of these players need be kwakusi akandi ama mo rivals. First, most supporters na muto play ama club no. Obi kwa waka chere se masa has na abebo no na mudi ni din atonyom. Na modi echire. Emre ni nie se mo be chere mo support di ama mo. Fancy. Ti me die. Baby a meti ni de me hu die. Me gitu mi se nyoma mako en nan ni num we die. Ochina enu nti na democracy cup no me mani abre. But adeba ko a ni nyina achi no ehu be hia me ye pa no. Eye to let your leaders know the essence of why we should develop football and make sure say we have a positive impact on their footballing structure and infrastructures. Ochina they will be there. Meboa. Let us make on say president, vice president call Black Stars camp. Or call Black Stars camp no what do to just say particularly catching is another musre na omu here infrastructures packs on boss born enye. Madam Esremo, this is another opportunity. It is the parliamentarians who enforce budget. Omuna kwajitu.
Nti bon mo menya fe.
Mo ya.
There is my pitch stadium.
That is it. Mo nya fe na ochina mo press conference so amasa ka kire omo. Honorable Speaker, Madam Roma, say boy who here na your fe. Mo here ya mo fe na Madam Roma, ye hear good pitches, ye hear infrastructures. Because ye kwaye budget bi ase be stadium a ye parliament na ba be cancel sem na be approve ya na ye improve ya parliament. Ye ba approve yo, ya approve yo parliament. Make a case. This is the moment I'm be closer to them. Make a case. Konokone has muna muye the most vibrant clubs okromo ase. Mo supporters muna muye most vibrant. Muna mo doors okromo apa. Make a case. Na me adum ochina. Go in your numbers and make a case for yourself. Make us a make a case so men ka se ko who minister bi na fa asa ko kire minister ma anya stadium amaya ya pro nabi. We are not encouraging any violence. Fancy obi encouraging violence bi a
Debbie.
Yan ka se ko obi, but just state your claim, make your case known, open up, and I'm sure say empanyfo na wodo na aso be wo ho. Mo kasa o mo be dey. O mo beti. Na munye na the state of infrastructure in your made not dachi bi no the next democracy cup ebe no bia na in a modern or world decorated stadium I come say that is where they are going to play. It should be very serious. Maybe the medi cancer akabiem Ghana beko USA, but Koroko players and has full players mo supporters and them so first USA in here. The winner of the Democracy Cup, any DC United, about a friendly match.
Yeah.
Oh, United States of America. When you're not in the theater, when I'm supporters also.
And about 4 craft from Quara.
Fancy. Asamna
Sompa Sports.
And you're fed the grow. A man for Shebri Bishop Butomumiru. It gives us the competitive game. We've always wanted.
Asentina.
Na say where
Enu tine so mon stadium.
Fairly stadium na
man
man
na
nyama.
ultimate mi amba sha. Enya sa chance na wa wala.
Supporting them we win.
Yeah.
To
Anya DC for na media ma ball.
This it is officer Emma Swa. This is the media ma ball last year in America no.
Simple.
Mike, media ma supporters e bi any opportunity anko.
Obebre na ko. Ti monko support yomo. Ma stadium nyama.
20, 15
Simple. Mo support yomo stadium nyama. That is the only thing you can also do to show support to the club also pesoko.
Ade bia ne bo okosoro kroma just a gate fees.
David was a gate fees na akema range the most consistent rate mehu Ghana ha in be over 10 years into ade a say here pa so clearly me among conquer support omum pia ema bia anko nanim. And the one thing I'm excited about there has been a deliberate attempt by the FA and any stakeholders to also push the women agenda. And your friend women empowerment. Means what check the list of referees on the game where an all-female refereeing list, which is a follow-up to the MTN FA Cup final.
Yeah.
I think this is something that is highly commendable.
Sports.
Means very commendable.
FA because FA Cup final why there be
exactly.
Ana samba benya democracy cup ni na so trophies another trophy
and a exposure.
Yeah,
Referee on Ubejina Finfie Dino. This is a Kotoko versus us game, but a typical Kotoko versus us competitive game scenario. But unya opportunity say now they warm yourself into a typical Kotoko has game. Ubemu say yes I stand to be corrected, but when you say a female center referee Eddie Kodokone Hasida. I stand to be corrected. But me follow football. Me newspapers dating back to 95 near there. Never has it been captured in any of them. The catalog I want to say a female referee Eddie Kodokone has. So clearly it means yeah.
So
this is a trend changer. It's the narrative, the trend, Odina Fa, she has written a good story for the next batch of female referees who's also be coming up. And that should be there will likely be a departure, if not a clear one, a departure from the practice of the best male referee. But now we can also see and the Yemfa best female referee and conquer the game. So exactly. So it is highly commendable. Not even time and exactly. It is highly commendable. Me nkamepa anka parliamentarians no moye man ochina. Omon shadam pay a special package. No mon fan celebrity emba referees on the all female cast. Omina from the main referee to the fourth official. Omina yamba anka emba parliamentarians honorable Frida Prempemo omon keka kakra mbom omu wi a omon fan show man monyam omon nye bibi san famon because this is historic. They bought the first ever democracy cup. They celebrate parliament and Ghana's democracy for 30 years. Now ye ba be ya DNA ba. It is synonymous with the term we always say, Mother Ghana. Mother Ghana. To Mother Ghana, near celebrating the democracy, ba referee in the sound to I'm saying can be biwo kakra. Sanka omutumi kika common sebum ha. Na komo dia referees na se almost so etimi discern monyam sheke say dia but I'm also praying for them. Such games, enyekwa BBA to me see. And I'm praying that they will have a good game because referees, so you have very key stakeholders. Two teams might play very good football, but the viewer, audience, omo emotional, omo betima frustrated by refereeing decisions. And a referee could say game no. Some say mo yetini debia referee say game kwan be no mo fa so say game ni gini nsemua excessive showing of cards, not being able to clearly handle or control the game from the onset near there. But I want to believe say a football any kase bia e wasi ye kan any chair referees no munya ndada enyame na meye me hutu fo honi apia na mabet na ye we menye we page no kra menjina so mfa we so mpoda. So the only thing I can do from here, which is far, of course, from Accra, say omunya a good game. Spiritually, they should be fortified. Then all the year we are the they should put it to practice. Ne Emma game no, and so Embrambe Krabeshe. This is novel. Yembo competition say bida. Whether say you're friendly, whether say you're off-season game, it has never happened that Ghana Parliament or more ebe kikabomua, there will be a game like this known as a Democracy Cup. It is very positive. Now, there are other additions like kanhua omo peso omo ye so that a betimia create and cement a certain legacy for parliament and then omo contribution to your football and our sports development, which is a soccer school of excellence now. Omo kasa omo beno. I think it's something positive. But one thing I'm also suggesting, and I will wish some combat me aye idea ba ko fancy. One say during the lunch, speaker ka say say anka ehumbe hia say the various members of parliament ka omoji kikabom bosume bia omotete omo salary na nka omo kani na abom na nka omo donate to a certain cause, which is football. And I would love parliament to raise such amount every year. Nanka enye a sponsorship sort of, and a partnership or a donation or presentation. Enfama the school's football league na yebono competitions across the various regions.
That school
good. And thinking we are nanki nya the best schools wow beje from Ashanti, Accra, Central nanki abebo national one. And think parliament in society enim. Because everyone yoma be brebe and a ban is as well. MPs ni beko or schools ni be crown. Maybe at the school that will win will likely come from your constituency. Exactly. Yeah. So I think Parliament can adopt. So almost sponsor. They are taking charge of the first year million and the million sponsor beyond to buy na but sir national and regional football competitions at school level common some no more fanye BBC. I think sanke beboa papa because eventually and also and the bedrock for talent development way nina ebeboa manioma konenimti. I would love something like that. It game way what the boy wom and what the bobia emphasis wom, and that is why I think that the multifaceted nature and the packaged aspect of a democracy cup, and mitra the organizers and parliamentarians in your presence and your now on your say they've done really, really well. Ghana needed something like this. And your boss is in we are a gaka top on your top 8. But this has also occupied the football calendar now. There's some refreshing vibe be and so the and for the very first time maybe we might get to see Opokunti, Frimpong Manson and the other legends coming together to play. Kenti in Shranka Boafo.
Why they just imagine a long ball from Paul Manson.
Uh-huh,
Maybe one yap pukuntu or rings or not. Maybe a howling a juice
Obetchino. But media retired players na ye legends no. Dem so mo ye honorable say Chairman Sabosu. Onimbo bopa.
Why?
Honorable.
Was one in the
Honorable or say Chairman Sabosu. Honorable. Oh, Jai, fancy onimbo bo. Me say onimbo nebo. Ebia. The bensa come ko oni ahome ni bebre sa. Babo no nimbo. I'm telling you for a fact. Don't joke. Don't. I'm not kidding. This is serious. Onimbo nebo pa. Honorable say Chairman Sabu onimbo nebo pa. And a lot of other parliamentarians are mimboding, but behind the scenes they were very good footballers. Like Ghana, yeah, President, His Excellency Nanado. I don't know onimbo pa. And Nanado was a teammate to the late a former president, J.E. Mills. Nanado was short, silky midfielder. Do you know how
Sompa Sports.
check passes is or ball pass about go astray. I say, oh, ball pass about go the tomb. Oh, where's my end back? My end back. So he's a very good footballer. And T, Ochinano, retired players on Munjina ye. Or Mube Jezel, yeah, they mean I'm here with my Jimmy D. Parliamentarians no might disgrace them. You better your modern first half can be unshabby. I don't be surprised. Me say, you better hear modern first half no be unshabby. I don't be surprised.
And I said, do me, you know. 11 and I said 12. Say 12-1.
Say, retard, beba. Me no tunchiawa. Say, retard players no. Ochina. So much me share 3 goals to crash me. Me so ochina much me share 3 goals asre me. Bra radio to be see my chicken. Hey, now
say retired players need to me share parliament members.
3 goals.
3 goals.
3 me.
Miss Omu Jiga.
Now parliament organize a competition. Now onjai ma omu mesho.
One omu goalkeeper.
Ja.
One be show go, one be defend.
Only honorable Adongo. Only my advice how Jeffrey Maguire.
Omonya de. Wa Jeffrey one.
The Maguire MP. Only me futu a Jeffrey no. Or your champion defender honorable Adongo.
Just say be a Maguire tweeting in internet.
Messi die. Ochina bu all launch.
Honorable asem no come parliament.
Adongo all
launch. Gini D Emma Maguire na man recognition. But
my this revelation, maybe I know win him. Ochina, honorable Adongo, or launch customized Harry Maguire boot and the socks.
And their own goals. Was my down for Man United.
Bebo,
defend our dad in the hospital.
Bebo, Juma. Isharaku was sende Leicester City memorabilia and the Abre honorable. Oh. Fancy, I am telling you. I'm telling you, I'm happy for Fatah Ishaku. From a year the
Charlie
Basa pitch to the comforts of the Premier League.
I said my Cologne, Sporting Ukraine, yeah, my Cologne or Leicester in the Championship. Or quite beginning now, quite be or Maresca by
no what in it now.
From efficient,
from steadfast dreams. Then when you're a leap at the Portugal career, no, it has been hanging because he's not had consistent minutes, which affects his development. Then he moves to Leicester and Maresca Fadiamano. Then it looks like he's gotten a permanent home. But he's had to work under different coaches for quite some time now. A little bit of stability in terms of the technical direction and how our coach Bebu developing in Bebua. Oba national team, coach is Bano Moko. He's not had consistency with that. Once a nipa bakuna or China there, easy into between and them. Then club side, so he's had to change in between. So Mebon Pire their man say he will find consistency with a new coach that Leicester City have. Say Steve Cooper. Then Cooper will be able to help. Cooper never Andre Ayew. Cooper had a solid stint with Andre Ayew. So he has already a history with how he works with Ghanaian players and how he improves them. I'm wishing Fatah Ishaku the best of luck. But many are the Whoa,
Meza.
It's fancy.
And your name, sorry.
live on Facebook, live on
Sompa Sports.
Commentary so 3 p.m. Yes, yeah. First one, yeah, parliamentarians and legends.
Kotoko has 6
p.m.
Yeah.
So we'll be here with you.
Okay. Mate, yada say yes, sorry, so nyame match na de aka ni nyina no ebeba beto so a day amount Terra 1 TV ekita exclusive right eno ensem eno